Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the video that is going to be for pre-market on October 7th. What to look for. It's a Thursday, so I do think that volatility is still on the table. On Fridays, normally we kind of see that like it seems like the volatility can't really go anywhere. I did post a video last night that was referring to my Wyckoff accumulation theories and how I'm looking at those, or thesis, whatever. So make sure you check that out. This is not going to be related to Wyckoff at all. So we're just going to look at it from a fundamental technical basis and see what conclusions we can come to. So, what I will say is, first things first, looking at this, I had this potential trend line that I drew from back here in January that we might be having a double touch of here and creating a new trend line. This is a potential trend line, though. It's not confirmed until we get a significant move up, and then we trade it at levels higher than this. As discussed before, we are still technically in the range to where we could have a wave 2 that we're in, because we did only retrace down to the 0.786. We found support. We ran up and ran back down. Now we're kind of finding support in this region on this trend line, potentially. And then we've been trading in the golden pocket region here between the 0.618 and the 0.65, which is in that $37 to $38 range pretty much. So I do think that we still have the potential here, if we're looking at it from an Elliott wave perspective, to have a move like this, where this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and we're in a wave 3. And I just want to like kind of cut this off. So this is still possible, okay? And what that would look like, what we're looking, the type of confirmation that we're looking for to confirm that this is in fact what's going on, is we're looking for this move here. We're going to look for an aggressive move up soon, which would be the wave 3 to the 5-wave sequence that would give us this this wave 3 here. So you definitely want to see some, if this is what's playing out, we definitely want to see some bullish momentum develop here soon. I would say so. Now, on the flip side of things, if things do go a little bit more bearish, it's still okay, as long as, really, you know, with Elliott wave, it doesn't fully reset until you hit the bottom of wave 1. Like, you still technically could be in a wave 2 as long as you don't double bottom. Once you double bottom, or you break below the original starting point of what you thought was wave 1, that opens the door for basically an extended corrective wave. So basically what that means is that we haven't completed a correction, and maybe we're in like a ABC kind of situation is a possibility. It'd probably be around here somewhere. And it would be a more long-term bearish scenario. The other thing to look for is this being a potential bear trend here. And so what we're forming is, let me change the color of this. I'm going to take this off for now. Change this to white. You know, within here, what I will say is, if this does develop as a bull trend, you could see some more upside here, but you're definitely going to want to get higher highs on this $52 level that you got here in September in order to prove that this is in fact a wave 3 and that we're breaking out of this bearish trend. That's definitely what we're looking for when it comes to that. And if that were to be the case, if that were to play out, you would basically say, okay, well, we confirm that we're now in a wave 3, and then this is how you would draw your extensions to get an idea of like what to expect from that wave 3 move. So basically, all that being said, in the short term, I know that this is like a pre-market video, so I don't want to go too in depth. I don't want to get too crazy, talk about too much stuff. You really, bulls really want to try and confirm this as support here, and then start to make higher highs. Because, you know, right now we're still in a scenario where it's relatively bullish because we have higher lows. right? We came back down. We almost tested our 0.786. It's fine if we come back down here as well. Like I'd still be bullish. Short term, it wouldn't bother me too much if we came down here. This is what I was calling for a few days ago. And everybody thought that that wasn't going to happen because we had this run up these past 2 days, these 2 run ups. But notice we're still making lower highs on this daily chart, right? So until we stop making lower highs, we start to shift and then confirm this as a higher low, you know, bears aren't quite done on this most recent move that we're seeing here on the 4 days. So one of these trend lines has to hold, right? Either the bear or the bull trend. We're gonna see someone continue their price action up. We're just in an indecisive territory right now. I will say that it does look like comparative to here, right? Bears are losing momentum, and just on a candlestick basis, it does. I would tend to say that it looks like, right, we're kind of, bears are losing momentum. Just put it that way. So maybe we see a reversal here in the short term. It's not really about predicting it. It's more about just understanding the price action as it's happening and you know, just trying to have good expectations throughout. So if you enjoyed the video, I appreciate you sticking around for the whole video. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, hit the like button. And then drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. If there's anything that I missed in the video, anything like that. I also have a Discord community that you can join in the comments down below. I mean, the description down below. I'm sorry. Go ahead and join there. We all hang out, chat, have a good time throughout the market day and post market, everything like that. So you can go ahead and do that. And then follow me on Twitter at David Marino Jr. I'll have that link down below as well. So appreciate your time. Have a good rest of your day and have good luck in the trading day. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.